Cahuenga Jazz Center is centered on jazz education. It's the thread that runs through every event, every jazz camp, and every mention of the word Cahuenga, Swahili for spontaneous creation. And in spontaneous creation lies the essence of jazz education. When learning the skills and art of jazz, musicians refer to spontaneous creation as improvisation.
Because jazz is an art form which is done at the moment that it is conceived, it's important for us to see that and hear it and see the artists interact.
Not doing anything, we're working more.
Every year, young people arrive at Cabrillo College in Aptos from all over for spontaneous creation under the guidance of experienced jazz music instructors.
I think that the camp and the honor program that the Cahuenga has played an important role in the Santa Cruz community, not just for musicians. I do a lot of teaching myself, and from working with a lot of the students that I have, I've noticed that it's not so much the material you're teaching them as much as the process of learning. And if you teach them that process, that discipline, that creativity that they would get through these programs and through learning an instrument and taking it seriously in general, they get so much out of it that applies to every aspect of their lives.
They might become doctors, they might become carpenters, it doesn't matter. But the main thing is, if you're playing an instrument, you learn that you can get better by increments, that you're not going to get better in one fell swoop, but that there's a step-by-step process to learning anything that you want to.
Graduates of the program learn a love of America's music and often go pro, as is the case of the LaBeouf brothers, Remy and Pascal. A national tour included a paying gig on the home stage at Cahuenga recently.
At the Cahuenga camp and through the honors program, students get an opportunity to really form a musical identity. You can really experiment with, wow, what kind of music do I want to make? What sounds do I like? And how do I incorporate those into the music I'm playing with my friends? I mean, those are the kinds of things that you learn at the Cahuenga Jazz Camp and through the honors program, and those are really important things to learn in life in general.
And for some, jazz education is a family affair. Keshav Singh is a Cahuenga Honor Jazz Band graduate, and his mother says the whole family has benefited from their Cahuenga experience.
Listening to Keshav play and arrange and compose, and listening to so many concerts at Cahuenga Jazz, I think it has widened my horizons in terms of creativity, I think, thinking outside the box.
Music will definitely always be a part of my life. I'm studying it in college, and whether I do make a career out of it or not, I feel like it sort of informs my whole outlook on life, because I think if you value art, art is such an integral component of life that it gives you sort of different outlook.
Anyone can do it. You don't have to be a musical genius. You don't have to be a person who's going to go on and go to college and conservatory. You can be a person who has a job, and then you get together with friends in the evening. Anybody can do jazz.
It's a part of who we are. It's like the same reason you would love your parents. I mean, Cahuenga was a very nurturing community to us, and it's just a part of what we value. And they've done so many great things here in Santa Cruz. We were very lucky to grow up here and have Cahuenga to kind of push us in the right direction.
Cahuenga Jazz, providing a continuing jazz education for more than 35 years. Learn more about how you can enjoy and support jazz